Abstract art, in its most literal meaning, dates back to the 19th century. The age that produced such a large corpus of elaborately representational art for the purpose of illustrating tale also produced a number of painters who investigated the mechanism of light and visual perception. Many painters of this era gradually accepted the increased freedom and responsibility represented by the convergence of these attitudes. All of the major movements of the first 2 decades of the 20th century, including Fauvism, Expressionism, Cubism, and Futurism, stressed the disparity between art and natural appearances in some way. However, there is a significant difference between abstracting from appearances, even if to the point of unrecognizability, and creating works of art from forms not drawn from the visible world. During the 4 or 5 years leading up to World War I, painters such as Robert Delaunay,